It's July 30th, 2023. The garden is pretty overgrown. I'm gonna clean it up today. Here's the peony. The leaves are slowly changing color. Lavender flowers have faded. They're all turning into seed pods now. They smell really good though. And here's the grape. Looks about the same, but if you take a closer look, you can see the fruits are certainly getting bigger. I'm trying to find that first cluster. I'm not sure if this is the first one, but you can see the fruits forming nicely. And yeah, they're all over the plant. Very excited for the grapes. Over here's the blueberry. Most of the fruits have matured. As you can see, they've all turned blue and they're all ready to be harvested. Some of them have fallen, but most of them are still on the plant itself. So yeah, we're gonna get a lot of blueberries today. The leaves of the pineapple are still getting redder. Here's the rhubarb. Still a lot of damage to the leaves. Still not sure what's eating the leaves. Mulberry looks pretty much the same now. Here's the asparagus. Some of the fruits are turning red. And the potato has died back. Here's the raspberry. Most of the fruits have gotten too ripe. So probably just a little bit of harvest today. Here's some new fruits forming. Here's some more flowers that just opened. Here's the California poppy and the sweet alyssum. Lots of flowers from sweet alyssum. Here's the beet. You can see the flowers have turned into seeds now. I'm just going to give you a closer look at the seeds. They're quite hard. And here's the Chinese lantern plant, pretty much little growth. Broccolini has overgrown. You can see all the flowers are turning into seed pods now. And the catnip is dying back. All the flowers have faded. The hydrangea is still flowering. Again, here's the cluster with the pink flowers. And then this is from another plant. It's forming this blue-purple flowers. More flowers gonna open soon, so more colors. As for the indoor garden, here we have the lady slipper orchid. One flower has opened, and this is the only one for now. And here's the monkey cup plant, the pitcher plant. You can see a lot of pitchers have formed. I've been watering it pretty consistently to make sure the pitchers formed completely. And here's the garden after the cleanup. I trimmed the broccolini, catnip, raspberries, and the potatoes. And also here's the harvest from today. Plentiful of blueberries and some raspberries.